So gas stop does three things incredibly well. One, it's like an airbag for your propane system. If you actually ever have a catastrophic leak, maybe you're underway, you lose a line, it's that device for the first time in the United States would shut off the flow of propane 100% right there at your tank. So that way, peace of mind, you always know that even if I by chance left my propane on to power the refrigerator, I know that I'm protected because if anything goes wrong, that propane will shut off and I'm underway. So for a minor leak, if you have something like a pinhole or a regulator goes down, we've seen some of the recalls on that, gas stop will help you stay on top of that so that you can make sure you know if there's a minor leak. To me, that story came alive when a customer who has gas stops on their fifth wheel and they're sitting around a campfire, they're all hanging out, having a wonderful time, they're surrounded by RVs, and all of a sudden they start all smelling a really strong smell of propane. So everybody scatters, they start running to their RVs, and the gentleman with his gas stops goes there, and within 3 minutes he's able to tell that his entire system is intact and working great. But he was able to take, when he was doing that, he looks over and all his friends and all these beautiful RVs are basically checking for minor leaks by sniffing. So he's looking at all these wonderful friends just smelling their RVs, trying to find out which one is actually leaking. So his hero moment was he took his gas stop off, went to each one of his friends' RVs and checked within 3 minutes, and they found the one that had the minor leak. They quickly identified where it was and repaired it and came back to having their fire and enjoying their evening. So in his moment, having that kind of control, that kind of ability to know what's going on in a propane system made all of the difference. And again, the third thing it does, and we forget that, it does have a really high quality pressure gauge. The device has a 5-year warranty. So you have the ability to actually not run out of propane. Normally in the middle of the night it seems to happen because it actually lets you know as you're getting low. So that is gas stop. Every propane system should be equipped with gas stop for your family safety, for your RV, and now for your propane system, you got a solution, and it's gas stop.